Customer Portal lets customers edit their orders without having to contact your support team. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how Cleverific's Customer Portal can be used to change the shipping method. When a customer places an order on your store, they will have the ability to access Customer Portal from the order status page or from their order confirmation email by clicking on the View Your Order button. From here, under Shipping Method, a customer can click on the Change button to change their shipping method. If your customers change the shipping method to a rate higher than the original rate, they will see an amount due in Customer Portal. The Pay Now button will redirect them to Shopify's checkout to pay the outstanding amount. If your customers change the shipping method to a rate lower than the original rate, they will see that a refund is due. Refunds are not automatic. However, you will receive a notification that a refund is due on this order, including the direct link to access the order page to issue the refund through Shopify. By default, customers can't change the shipping method on their orders in Customer Portal. However, you can enable this setting in your Customer Portal settings. First, click on Apps and then select Cleverific Order Editor. Now, select Customer Portal and under the section titled Decide what changes customers can make, check the box next to Allow Change Shipping Method. That's it, your change is automatically saved. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net. We're always here to help.